stuff, carp fishing and other stuff. We're back with the usual containers. Our bread and butter. 20 footer, which means you know this thing's gonna be stupid heavy. Let's go check it out. Okay, I think I'm at a good distance. So a quick walk around while Hector finishes the cleanup. Unconfirmed, but I'm told it's got 45,000 pounds. There's a seal on it. I got this job from Jonas, the famous Jonas Kustom Tow. Bulging out right there already, so I'm gonna do my containers thing in that pocket. I'm gonna lift and catch on one side. We'll have Joe on this side, and I think Jonas himself is coming to tow it afterwards when it's all done. So let's get my stuff set up. All right, boom is up the side. What I'm gonna do, since I got plenty of time, I got like 10 minutes before Joe gets here, I'm gonna just attach to here really quick, probably the top link and maybe the frame, and just drag it, straighten it out. That way when Joe gets here, he could U-turn by going straight past here, come back this way and control it from the back, and also so it comes over easy. I don't want any sliding or to come over at a weird angle with Joe and I fighting each other. So if you see here, this white line, that's straight, and that's how far it is. So I'll drag it over about 6 feet. All right, straight to the action. I got both lines set. So now let's toy with the white and the blue. The lock came undone. That usually happens. I'm glad I caught it now. Good job, Hulk. Much better. Alright, Joe can squeeze through here, no problem, and bust a U-turn. I like that. Slid out on my tension. See if I can't mess with this lock too. I want to fix this. But a nice little spill. Looks like Hector contained it. From here we can throw on absorbent and then put it in the buckets. He actually did a pretty good job. All this will spill right here. Okay, quick little re-rig. Took the line off there, connected it to here, so I can close this gap right there. Let's go up with the boom. Come on. Oh. All right. See if it worked. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna throw this in here, see if you can see what I did. This is where, well, now I can't unlock it, but that's the lock position. Now we're safe. Now I can rig. Good, now comes the easy part. Attach my 8-foot container sling. Bring that down to the pocket. Very easy, very strong. Infinitely better than chain in the pocket holes. A lot of people, for some reason, are still doing it. Sweet. Hold on. We're done here. All that's missing is the protector, which I have here in my hand. Look how cool that is. So we'll throw this up here. So setup on my end is complete. All right, we'll set the brakes right now. Just adjust this. I forgot to do it down here. All you gotta do is pull this up. This. My protector. I can't get it over the edge. That way yeah, it has to be underneath. Please. Use your superhuman strength. You need more cable? Let out. Try that. Go. We'll shimmy it. Go. That's good. I like that. Thank you. Good. Step down, sir. So now it's a party. Sir Jonas showed up, but we're already rigged with Flipper and Hulk. So it's go time. I got the trusty Loso here to show you how much force it takes with just one line to upright these 20-foot containers, and why it's suicide to still be using chain and those other outdated methods. All right, let's put some tension on 3, Joe. 1, 2, 3. Follow my lead.
Let's check it. Get the air out of the tank.
12, 13. Right now I'm holding at 16,000, right under 17. And that's with Flipper helping me. Well, honestly, that should have been done already. Disappointed in that. All right, drive shaft out, brake set.
Hector! Wait! Spider! Go!
What am I on now? 21,000, 22,000, ladies and gentlemen.
Hold on.
I got it.
Wait, let him spike it.
Hold on. Yeah, me too on the white. Let's keep the catches tight, Joe. Keep the catches tight. Nice and smooth. See, this is why we use 2 trucks for the container portion. Look how smooth this is. Every single inch that it comes over is in perfect control by us. And that's why you put a catch on the tractor. That's normal to most, not to me. Very sloppy. Very disappointed in Hector. Keep your green tight, Joe. All right, start letting out on the...
Are you ready?
Yeah. Just keep going. Don't listen to me. Keep going, Joe. Keep going.
Hold on. Say something.
Joe, keep going with the lift.
Yeah.
You gotta go in. Listen. Just listen to me, not Jonas, please.
What's he talking about?
Doesn't matter. Ready? As you go in with that one,
Yeah,
go out with your catch.
Yeah.
On 3, 2, 1. See? Oh, you hear that? What is that, sand?
I don't know.
Okay, Joe, all green, all green. Go in with your red. Scoot it over, Joe.
Hold on. Hold on. I got it already. What's Spider doing?
He's putting his truck away so Jonas could tow it afterwards. Go in with the red? No, you can keep the green tight. Just go in with the red.
Even try to lift it.
There you go. Go. There you go. Good. All right, now let me start letting out on my end.
I go on my record.
Okay, Joe.
I don't want the other
As
side
you
to
go
blow.
in with the red, Joe, go out with the green. Remember, start. Yeah. It's all right, Joe. Out with the green. In fact, rotate it this way, Joe. Go clockwise. Rotate it. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't stop. Good. Now that you're over it, now go in with the red. Go in with the red.
Go down with the green. Go down with the green.
Let's check it out. Jonas, what's the load? That sounds like your famous scrap metal or sand. You hear it? Whatever it was, it did damage.
What's in there?
Did a lot of damage. You ain't going to the port now, buddy.
You ain't going to the port.
So it passes the shifted load test, which is, here's the tires. Put your hand here. You do that on both sides and the front. And you make sure it's even on all sides. If one side had like 5 inches of gap and the other 1 inch, you know it's either gravity from the hill or load shift. This handled it well, which means it's probably got a low center of gravity load in there. Whatever it is, it's good for Jonas to tow now. We'll put 88 away. Nice.
You want to see what all the load is. I mean, if it's this way, the load's this way, but you know what? It looks like it's level now.
It's leveled. I concur.
Look, you can see it's flat.
Let's put the trucks away and get this open. Thank you, Joe, for disconnecting me. We'll put the trucks away and I'm out of here while Jonas finishes the tow. I mean, we got it done. It was an easy job, relatively speaking. But in my opinion, it's not one of my best. One of those scenarios that people have to comment on, the quote-unquote too many chiefs. Joe's still training, and I mean, he's wonderful, real fast learner. Soon he'll be on his own, but on this one he should have just been listening to me only. By him having to stop and ask and stuff, and hold on, let me turn this off real quick. It kind of delayed us. That's why it's important to have one mastermind that throws out the game plan and then it gets executed. I'm always welcome to suggestions, but when you're in the middle of a lift and you're doing the in part, when it's coming over, now's not the time to change your plan and stop. But we'll talk about it and you'll learn. But let me throw this away really quick. Okay, we're all done here. Let me just kill Joe's idle. I wanted to just, right before I go, throw out some math at you guys of why I was showing the load cell and why we use 2 trucks. This is the over the side tip chart on Hulk. Don't know how well you guys can see that with the glare, but I was close to full extension, right? So that's gonna put me around here between 28 and 32. And this is the tip factor, how much you can lift off the side at a certain degree, at a certain extension before it becomes unsafe. So at the degrees I was at, close to 40, Hulk can safely lift between 28.5 thousand to 31.5 thousand. That was me at close to full extension. Now you saw one line at about close to 22,000 pounds of force. Now imagine if I was doing the entire container by myself and I had 2 lines to it, spread, and pulling it to me like that. You are absolutely overloading the boom. Now, is that gonna break Hulk? No. Is it gonna flip me over? Probably not. I could have done it. I'm sure I would have leaned a bit. It's scary, but I could have cowboyed it. But is it safe and is it worth it? The more you do that, the more you damage your equipment. So why do that when I do have the proper equipment? I have multiple trucks. Why not do it safe? Why not do it fast? Why not do everything within the working load limit? Just to show you that again. But that's enough math for today. I'm gonna jump in Hulk and we're out of here, guys. Peace.